Radio SI Main Stage.
Sometimes we don't appreciate those who are close to us. We may even be conscious of it, yet unable to behave any differently in that moment. When a good person enters your life, make sure you do everything it takes to give back to them and give them a reason to stay.
Sometimes things just don't seem to fall into place. Sometimes you have to run further, and even though you think you're giving it your best, sometimes you have to run higher. And it takes time for the stars to align. It takes time while we wait for the better days. Let's make the most of it. I'm sure they're coming. It takes time for you and me to find the right words and serenity. It takes time, and I got time. Let's not talk too much, let me hold you. It works out every time, yeah, yeah. You try to understand me and I try to understand you. That's what it's all about. Let's not talk too much, no, 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 no. Seems to be the hardest word to say. I'm gonna say it anyway. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Shouldn't try to change ya, no, no, no. But learn how to see things from your perspective, 'cause you're my true objective. Don't go projecting blue. Your heart's reflecting on the ones you love, on the ones you love. You can't change the color of a flower, but you can't help it grow. Let's not talk too much, let me hold you. It works out every time. You try to understand me and I try to understand you. That's what it's all about. Let's not talk too much, let me hold you. It works out every time. You try to understand me and I try to understand you. That's what it's all about, all about. Let's not talk too much. Let me just hold you. Let's not talk too much. Let me just hold you. Oh, let's not talk too much. Let me just hold you. Oh, let's not talk too much. Let me just hold you. Let me just hold you. Let me just hold you, baby. Let me just hold you. Let me just hold you, baby. Let me just hold you. Let me just hold you, baby.
All right. Main Stage.
How we feeling?
Radio SI Main Stage.